Welcome back to the Independence Day Talk series. This year, we focus on the theme Post-Independent India and its educational development. Post-Independent India witnessed significant educational development focused on universalizing access and improving quality across all levels. Key initiatives included establishment of commissions like Kotari Commission, the introduction of 10 plus 2 plus 3 system, and implementation of policies like Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan and Right to Education Act, etc. These efforts aim to address disparity, expand educational opportunities, and foster holistic development. Namaste. Welcome to day 1 of our series, India at the Dawn of Independence. In 1947, as India gained freedom, nation faced a huge educational crisis. The literacy rate was just around 12%. Most of the population, women and rural community had little to no access to education. The system we inherited from British was elitist, examination focused and was not meant for mass education. We had very few schools, fewer universities, and have massive shortage of trained teachers. Education became top priority for national development. The dream was clear: free, inclusive, and quality education for all. The journey began slowly but with determination. Tomorrow, we look at India's very first major step in education reform, the University Education Commission. Stay tuned.